Hello everyone, welcome back to TeamAutoTrend channel. As we all know, the Tata Harrier is Tata Motors' most prestigious SUV. Available in multiple variants, the Harrier has been hugely successful thanks to its muscular looks, powerful diesel engine, space and comfort, and the addition of new features. As of now, the Tata Harrier is available in 7 different colors, including the Dark Edition and the Kaziranga Edition. Now this here is the brand new Royal Blue color, which was initially introduced on the Tata Safari. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel as we provide detailed reviews of all variants of all cars in all colors, while also providing regular news updates. Please do support us by liking and sharing this video. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for regular timely updates. This Tata Harrier Royal Blue XZA Plus has been provided to us by TAFE Access Limited Tata Car Showroom in Coimbatore. Even today, the Tata Harrier is easily one among the coolest looking mid-size SUVs, which looks good in any color. While the Tata Safari provided 2 different shades of blue including the Tropical Mist and the Royal Blue, till now the Harrier did not have a blue shade in its palette. But now, both the Royal Blue and the Tropical Mist have been introduced on the Harrier as well. So in the first glance, just like the Tata Safari, the Harrier looks impressive in this Royal Blue, as it complements the sharp creases and angles on the Harrier's muscular body. Just as we have seen on the Tata Safari, the paint quality is very impressive, and the chrome finished door handles and the window overline are very well highlighted on this dark shade. Yes, this here is the XZA Plus top spec variant, which provides 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, HID projector headlamps, front and rear fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, a reverse parking camera, while the sleek-looking split LED tail lamps are standard across all variants. From the rear too, the Harrier in this royal blue shade looks very impressive, and this shade definitely reminds us of the dark blue shade seen on some BMW cars. Apart from the new color, some new features have been added on the inside. Let's now check them out. Since its official launch, the Tata Harrier has provided a black and brown interior theme as standard on the XZ and XZ Plus variants. However, some features are now carried forward to this XZ Plus from the Kaziranga edition, including front ventilated seats. Yes, these perforated Beneke Calico leatherette upholstery seats are now available with seat ventilation function, while just like before, the driver's seat is 6-way power adjustable. The driver's seat alone also gets the lumbar adjust, which is a manual lever on the left side of the driver's seat. Apart from the ventilated seat, there are also some other feature additions. Let's now get in the seat. So getting into the cabin of the Tata Harrier XZ Plus, this here is the royal blue color Tata Harrier. However, on the inside this looks exactly the same as the 2020 updated Tata Harrier in terms of features or appeal or everything. First of all, you get to see cruise control, leather wrap steering wheel, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, smart key access with push button start from the XT variant itself. All these features remain exactly the same from the XT variant onwards. However, only the XZ and XZ Plus variants get this semi-digital instrument cluster, which provides you with decent level of details and information regarding the car, and it is also pretty clear and decently crisp. Then yes, apart from the leatherette upholstery, on the door pads you also get to see this nicely wrapped door handles in the same leatherette material, along with the nice soft leatherette padding on the door pads as well. And coming to the center console, just like before, the Harrier top spec variants offer this 8.8-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment system, which provides now wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, along with air quality index air purifier system integrated into this system itself, which is quite nice and thoughtful in terms of health and consciousness. However, the 9-speaker JBL audio system remains exactly the same, providing, well, almost segment besting audio quality, which is truly fantastic. Then you also get multiple drive modes regarding the engine and traction modes as well. You get the sports mode, economy mode and the standard city mode, and you can also see these traction modes over here on the center console. That is the rough road mode, normal mode and and the wet mode, while also providing hill descent control. These traction modes are available from the XZ variant onwards, whereas the engine related drive modes are available from the XM variant itself. Then yes, there is also the standard ESP traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation, brake disc wiping, and electronic brake prefill. All these features are available from the base level XE variant itself. Then yes, coming on towards other nice details, this wood like finish on the dashboard mid pad is available from the XT variant onwards. This is actually present since the Harrier was initially launched in India, and from the XT variant itself you can also see this soft touch and soft feel material on top of the dashboard. The top half of the dashboard is actually pretty soft touch. Then along with the powered adjustable driver seat, auto dimming IRVM is also available only on the XZ Plus, while also providing this massive panoramic sunroof. This sunroof though is available even on the XT Plus, the mid-level XT Plus variant of the Harrier, apart from the XZ Plus. This sunroof also provides universal closer function, which is actually pretty convenient. Then obviously there is the automatic climate control again, which is standard from the XT variant itself, and this automatic AC can also be controlled using voice commands. And using voice commands you can also control Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and calling, media, radio, everything you can control. So it is very simple. However, still the Harrier does not provide electronic parking brake. You still get this aircraft lever style handbrake manual lever, which is okay for some people. However, some people find it very inconvenient. Still, it is an arguable issue. However, this here is the automatic transmission lever, which is available on the XMA and the XTA Plus and the XZA, along with the XZA Plus, which is this top spec variant. Then in terms of other storage spaces and all, you get this cubby hole over here for your smartphones, and you get a couple cup holders over here, whereas this armrest is actually quite capacious while also being cooled. Yes, there is a cooling vent over here, while also providing a 12-volt charging socket and two USB 5-volt charging sockets over here. Apart from that, there is the standard USB port over here to connect to, say, the touchscreen infotainment system, and the glove box is also a cooled unit while also being humongously large, also providing illumination, and the door pads are rather large, also providing rather large bottle holders along with a separate umbrella holder over there. So quite nice and thoughtful, but still the Tata Harrier needs some level of improvement, at least in terms of the feature quality. For example, let me just turn on the reverse camera, and this is how it looks like. Honestly, I have never seen such a, say, very below average reverse parking camera quality, especially for a car which costs almost around 25 lakhs. So this is one area where Tata needs to work on. Apart from that, yes, the steering quality is absolutely quite average, and the design is also somewhat a bit dated. Tata Motors could design another steering wheel with a flat bottom design and much better quality material over here at the center. While the leatherette feel over here is pretty good, the center boss using which the horn needs to be activated, it is actually very average in terms of texture and material quality. So that is one thing to be addressed. However, there is obviously the standard tilt and telescopic adjustment available for the steering wheel, and basically that's it. Let's now check out the rear seats. The Tata Harrier has always been a hugely spacious 5-seat premium SUV, while also providing maximum comfort and width for the rear seat passengers, so that even the rear seat passengers will be comfortable even if there are 3 people over here. Then actually talking about the comfort over here, the 2 adjustable headrests are standard from the base level variant itself. However, this center armrest is available only from the mid-level variant. That said, the rear seat shape and design remains beautiful. There is a whole lot of space even if I sit in the driver's seat, and the under thigh support is actually very good. In fact, it provides you an almost sofa-like experience. And well, this is how the dashboard of this XZA Plus blue Tata Harrier looks like. Honestly, there is not a lot of difference when compared to other color options of the Tata Harrier XZA Plus, and the features also remain exactly the same. That said, from the Kaziranga edition onwards, you get some additional features including the air quality index, air purifier system, and wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, along with front ventilated seats. However, as I already said, some things still need to be improved, including the camera quality. They definitely should provide a better camera for a 25 lakh rupee car, and apart from that, the steering wheel boss quality should definitely be improved, especially for such a car. And from the Tata Safari, it is better if they provided wireless charging facility on the Harrier as well, along with electronic parking brake with auto hold function. That's it. Apart from that, there are a lot of features in this Tata Harrier top spec variant, including panoramic sunroof and all those stuff. Moreover, in terms of safety, right from the base variant itself, you get dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold, traction control, electronic brake prefill, rollover mitigation, while only the top spec XZ and XZ Plus variants provide you 6 airbags, including curtain airbags and thorax airbags, along with hill descent control. That is actually quite a lot of features, but still there is some more. You can see this storage pocket over here for smartphone for the rear seat passengers. Along with that, you can also see 2 USB charging ports available as standard on the Tata Harrier for the rear seat passengers. And moreover, the rear seat passengers also have this special tray over here for parking their smartphones over here while traveling, especially for the outside passengers. So how superb is that? Tata Motors have almost thought of everything except for the camera quality. Yeah. Okay, so let's now check out the boot space. Apart from the new features in the cabin and the new color on the outside, there has been no changes regarding the boot space, and just like before, the Harrier provides 425 liters of luggage space. It may not be segment besting, but the overall shape is very usable. On the left side, you get to see the JBL branded subwoofer, whereas the parcel tray is available from the XM variant. All variants get this bag hook on the right side, while the boot lamp is available from the XM variant onwards. From the XT variant itself, the Harrier also gets 60-40 split folding flat folding rear seats, and there are 2 different underfloor compartments. The smaller one is for the toolkit, whereas the larger one has some actual underfloor storage, useful to store smaller items. Finally, all variants of the Harrier provide a 16-inch steel spare wheel located under the body. With the rear seats folded flat, you can also load your furniture into the Harrier. Let's now check out the engine bay. Till the Mahindra XUV700 was launched, the Harrier was considered to be one among the more powerful SUVs in its category. In the year 2020, the Harrier got this 170 PS Cryotech turbo diesel engine borrowed from the Jeep Compass. This produces 350 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual or a Hyundai-sourced 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. While efficiency and power varies according to the multiple drive modes, only the XZ and XZ Plus variants have the multiple terrain modes, which help the Harrier to do mild off-roading. However, Tata Motors is developing a new turbocharged petrol engine for the Harrier and Safari. Clearly, it is not hard to see why the Harrier has so much fan following and why is it such a great success. It looks great in any color, it is comfortable on the inside while also providing almost all the features you need, along with a nicely powerful diesel engine and a smooth automatic gearbox. That said, when you compare with strong competition such as the Mahindra XUV700 or the MG Hector, the Tata Harrier still needs to provide some quality features including a 360-degree surround view camera, wireless charging facility, electronic handbrake, along with a petrol engine option. Still, the Harrier is easily one among the best diesel mid-size 5-seat SUVs in this category. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this royal blue shade on the Tata Harrier. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.